the news that he is quitting the job dash shocking. Option C is, the news that he is quitting the job is shocking. Not a single student dash present yesterday. Option B was, not a single student was present yesterday. He said, I may come tomorrow. Change the speech. Option B is correct one. He said that he might come the next day. I have never seen dash beautiful painting. Option D, such a, I have never seen such a beautiful painting. She could not come dash her illness. Option A, due to, she could not come due to her illness. The more you try, dash you will succeed. Option B, the more you try, the more you will succeed. The children dash playing in the park are my cousins. Option C, who, the children who playing in the park are my cousins. They dashed to start early, but they were late. Option A was supposed, they were supposed to start early, but they were late. She is too intelligent dash be fooled easily. Option A, to, she is too intelligent to be fooled easily. It is time we dash home. Option D, went, it is time we went home. Hardly had I reached the station dash the train departed. Option A, then, hardly had I reached the station than the train departed. He asked me where I dash from. Option B, came, he asked me where I came from. Scarcely had he entered the room dash the lights went off. Option D, when, scarcely had he entered the room when the lights went off. We had our car dash yesterday. Option A, washed. We had our car washed yesterday. Dash of the answers was correct. Option C, neither. Neither of the answers was correct. Neither the teacher nor the students dash prepared. Option B, were. Neither the teacher nor the students were prepared. This is the house dash I was born. Option A, where. This is the house where I was born. Dash honest man always speaks the truth. Option C, the honest man always speaks the truth. He is the same man dash I met at the station. Option C, whom. He is the same man whom I met at the station. The more he earns, dash he spends. Option A, the more he earns, the more he spends.